Did you know that your Wi-Fi router emits EMF radiation? If not, stay tuned and be well informed. What is Wi-Fi radiation? Your wireless Wi-Fi router uses high radio frequency or non-ionizing radiation to keep up a consistent signal to your gadgets. The same radio waves that comes from cell phones and smart meters, laptops, baby monitors, tablets, and computers. It's a type of electromagnetic field or EMF. We are exposed to EMF radiation in schools, hotels, restaurants, coffee shops, airports, and in many homes where Wi-Fi routers are installed. EMF radiation from Wi-Fi may cause the most significant danger because it is always on. So the potential EMF exposure is constant and non-stop 24/7. So it created a widespread concern that Wi-Fi radiation causes health problems, even severe conditions in some individuals. These conditions incorporate migraines, muscle hurts, heart palpitations, weariness, a sleeping disorder, and many more. There are many ways we can do to cut down our Wi-Fi radiation exposure and avoid serious health problems it brings. One of the easiest and best approach to ensure ourselves is to get a Wi-Fi router guard. What is a Wi-Fi router guard? A Wi-Fi router guard is a Faraday cage made of metal mesh to house the Wi-Fi router. One of the recommended brands is the Smart Meter Router Guard. This classic Faraday cage is easy to install, and no assembly required. Just place the Wi-Fi router inside the box. Close the cover to block the EMF radiation. The mesh functions as a conductor that traps the radiation and distributes throughout the mesh to prevent the EMF radiation from reaching you. Smart Meter claims this guard blocks 85% of the EMF your router emits and protects the whole house. It comes in two sizes, small and large. Installing a router guard is so easy and effective EMF reduction strategy. This is perfect and highly beneficial for families who have their router installed near the areas where they spend most of their time.